Hi, I'm back. Anyway, I used to have some videos on my YouTube channel of me doing makeup. I have since became an esthetician and prioritized my skincare more than I've prioritized makeup. So I thought I'd just jump on here and reintroduce a little series that I had back then called the how-to series, but actually complete it. So I'm gonna teach you how to do your eyebrows because that's the first step in my routine. Okay, so this is just how I do my eyebrows. There are a million tutorials online, but like I said, this is just how I do them. I'm gonna take this Ioni little palette. I'm not gonna lie, I got this from the Dollar Tree. And then I got this brush. It's a dual-ended brush. I got it in a $13 little gift bag makeup brush set on Temu. So there are 2 shades in here. I'm gonna use this one because my hair is red now, so it's got some red undertones in it. So I'm gonna follow, like I said, I get my eyebrows waxed. So I'm gonna follow the natural shape of my eyebrows on the bottom first. I'm using very, very, very light pressure and sort of flicking, and I use hardly any product because a little goes a long way. You mind? Okay, I'm gonna stop right before the tail end, so right before this part. And then I'm gonna carry it up onto the top right here and work that way. Again, so much easier when you have your brows waxed. I'm skipping this top portion of my eyebrow and just starting at the bulk of my brow right here. And then just dragging that across the top. Period, sorry. And then now we're gonna drag down. And that's how you create the little flick. And then we're just gonna take whatever product, do you mind? Whatever product we have left over and just fill in that front of the brow and kind of brush it back. And then we're gonna take, like I said, the very leftover stuff, and we're just gonna feather in the front of the brow. If you need to pick up more, use the littlest, teeny tiniest bit. Start at the bottom, flick up. Now, switching sides is where it gets really, really complicated, so I'll walk you through that eyebrow as well. You're just gonna invert your hand, so instead of doing it this way with the point this way, you're gonna switch the brush and invert your hand. Light feathery flicks at the base of the brow. Again, invert and flip. Okay, taking it out to right about here. Now go back to the top. Kind of I kind of do this little funky thingy where I take my mirror and then I cross my arms. Just like that. Okay, following on the top, now we're dragging that tail down. Just like that. Taking leftover, wiggling. And then turning brush flat, the tiniest little bit of product, pick it up and flick in the top of your brow. Yay, eyebrows are all done. Now that this thing has made it significantly difficult to go ahead and do this video, we want to bid you adieu, ow! And we'll see you guys in the next how-to series. Bye.